Saturday morning, everyone. Rain cleared up, sun is coming out. We got here to this project. We touched up all of our tape on the pool. We scraped down all of our joints on the overlay from yesterday. We've got our border marked out here, if you guys can see the pencil line. Andy's going around rolling on some bonding agent right now. We got a little paper up on the steps. We got our slide and diving board all blocked off. We've got to put more plastic up once we get ready to spray over here, but for the border, we should be good. Very windy out, which is not good. Hopefully that calms down. So the plan is we're gonna spray the border, and these joints I usually cut out, but I'm kind of leaving them half full right now, because what's going to happen is I'm going to come back with a soft cut saw when we're all done, and I'm going to cut into them, and anything that comes out. Anything that doesn't, we're going to use probably a nice lighter dark gray caulk on it and fill all those in, because you have to honor your expansion joint so it can still move, especially with the winters we get here. So the primer we're using is a flex primer. It's designed for cold weather environments where we have frost and things like that. So once Andy gets that rolled out and we let it dry a little bit, we will take a coffee break, and then we'll mix up our first coat for the border. Stay tuned, guys.
Touching up the border a little bit here. We just went around with our straight edge. Got the outside edge all dialed in. Now he's just working the middle. Came out really good. Get under here. Really good for a first spray. Shout out to Dave from Texas. This is only the beginning. Say hi, Andy. Hi.
So everybody, we got our base coat down here. This color, when it's all done, is going to be called charcoal, and the color on the deck is going to be called smoke. So basically this is our base coat for the charcoal. As you can see, it's a very, very, very dark gray. It looks black right now, but as it dries it'll be a very dark gray, at least for the base color, and then when you seal it, it will darken back up again. So hopefully the weather stays nice for us. We need this wind to quit. You guys can see where it's drying here, how it's turning gray. So guys are washing everything up. You got to wash everything between coats, and as soon as they get everything washed up, we will mix up the next color, go from there. Alrighty everybody, we're out here. We have the border all done. The border is charcoal, the interior is going to be smoke. So the guys right now are rolling down the bonding agent, the primer. We got to get that all on there, and then we will start spraying our base coat and go through our colors again, and then we will be done for the day. It's gonna look really nice. Andy said he's scared of it, but other than that, it should be okay. You're doing an excellent job, Al.
Oh yeah.
turned out to be fairly decent, minus a little wind. So we have our border done. We have all of our base coats sprayed down on the deck, and we've done spray coat 1 on the deck. So the base was basically a light gray. The spray coat 1 is almost like the white that you're seeing. And now we'll be on to spray coat 2, which will be basically the same light gray again. And then we have 2 coats after that, 2 splatter coats. So the guys just mixed up the next coat, which will be a light gray. We're gonna let that fault set for a few minutes, remix it, and go from there. Update time. So we got the base coat down, 2 spray coats, first splatter coat. Next splatter coat is a real dark, almost like the base for the border. So I'm gonna mister all with that, tie it all together, and then pull our paper and our plastic down over on the porch, clean everything up, and it'll be a Saturday. We'll have to come back next week, and we're gonna cut these saw cuts open, and then I got a bevel blade we're gonna cut them with on like a 45, and then caulk them in with a nice light gray. It'll look sharp. Stay tuned. Refill? Okay, we have finished our last coat on here. That color is called smoke. The border is called charcoal. So we're in good shape for today. We're just getting everything cleaned up and picked up and getting out of here.